The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Model 1400B, is a versatile and compact cleaning device designed to tackle various cleaning challenges. Ideal for homes, cars, and other settings, this portable cleaner excels at removing tough stains and spills from carpets, upholstery, and even auto interiors. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver and store, while the powerful suction ensures deep cleaning, lifting away dirt and grime that regular cleaning might miss. Equipped with exclusive specialty tools, the Bissell Little Green is particularly effective for targeted cleaning tasks. The included Tough Stain Tool and Hydro Rinse Tool offer enhanced precision for tackling stubborn spots and ensuring thorough rinsing. This makes it a great choice for pet owners, parents, and anyone who needs a reliable solution for spot cleaning and maintenance. Additionally, the cleaner features a large water tank capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills during extended cleaning sessions. The machine's eco-friendly design, with parts made from recycled plastic, reflects Bissell's commitment to sustainability. It's also user-friendly, with simple controls and easy assembly, making it accessible even for those new to using carpet cleaners. Whether dealing with accidental spills or routine maintenance, the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner offers an efficient and effective solution, combining convenience, power, and versatility in one compact. The Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner, Model 2987, is a powerful and efficient cleaning solution tailored for pet owners. This lightweight and compact carpet cleaner is designed to handle the toughest pet stains and odors, ensuring carpets stay fresh and clean. Its standout feature is the 4-row Deep Reach Power Brush, which penetrates deep into carpet fibers to lift and remove embedded dirt and pet hair. This robust brushing action, combined with strong suction, ensures a thorough clean, making it an ideal choice for households with pets. The TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner is easy to maneuver and store, thanks to its compact design. Weighing just a few pounds, it can be effortlessly carried from room to room or up and down stairs. Despite its lightweight build, it doesn't compromise on performance, delivering professional-grade results in a user-friendly package. The cleaner's dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, making it easy to fill, empty, and rinse the tanks. This carpet cleaner also includes a removable nozzle for easy maintenance and a convenient collapsible handle for storage in tight spaces. The inclusion of Bissell's proprietary cleaning formula enhances its effectiveness, breaking down tough stains and neutralizing pet odors. With its straightforward operation and powerful cleaning capabilities, the Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner is a reliable ally for pet owners seeking to maintain a pristine home environment. Its combination of portability, power, and ease of use makes it an indispensable tool for keeping carpets clean and fresh. The Bissell Little Green Pro Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Model 3194, is a robust and versatile cleaning tool designed for deep cleaning and spot treatment of carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors. This model, which may be labeled under different names, is particularly effective at tackling deep-set stains and everyday spills, making it an essential tool for households and car owners alike. Its compact design ensures easy portability, allowing users to efficiently clean hard-to-reach areas and confined spaces without hassle. This powerful cleaner comes equipped with specialized tools that enhance its cleaning capabilities. The Deep Stain Tool and the 3-inch Tough Stain Tool are particularly noteworthy, as they are engineered to deliver targeted cleaning power. These tools penetrate deep into fibers to lift and remove the most stubborn stains, whether from pets, spills, or general dirt accumulation. In addition, the package includes two 8-ounce trial-size cleaning formulas, which are specially formulated to maximize the machine's cleaning efficiency and leave surfaces looking refreshed. One of the standout features of the Bissell Little Green Pro is its large capacity tanks for clean and dirty water, reducing the frequency of refills and ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The powerful suction and spray capabilities work in tandem to remove spots and stains effectively, while the easy-to-use controls make operation straightforward even for beginners. Its eco-friendly design, incorporating recycled materials, reflects Bissell's commitment to sustainability without compromising on performance. The Shark PX202BRN Stain Striker Portable Spot, Stain, and Odor Eliminator is a versatile and powerful cleaning device, ideal for addressing tough stains, persistent odors, and spot cleaning in a variety of settings. Designed for use on carpets, area rugs, upholstery, and car interiors, this compact cleaner is particularly effective for pet owners who regularly deal with pet stains and odors. The Nordic Blue model not only offers high functionality but also brings a sleek and modern aesthetic to household cleaning tools. Equipped with advanced cleaning technology, the Shark Stain Striker features a powerful motor that delivers robust suction to lift and remove embedded dirt and stains. The cleaner's efficiency is further enhanced by the included bonus accessories and cleaning solutions, which are tailored to handle different types of stains and surfaces. These accessories ensure that users can tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with precision and ease, whether dealing with a small spill or a more significant mess. One of the standout features of the Shark Stain Striker is its ease of use and portability. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and maneuver, allowing users to quickly address stains as they occur without dragging out larger, cumbersome equipment. The intuitive controls and ergonomic design make operation straightforward, even for those new to using portable carpet cleaners. Additionally, the cleaner's dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring effective cleaning and easy maintenance. The Kenmore KW2001 Spotlight Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner and Pet Stain Remover is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle a wide range of stains and messes. With its impressive 17 kPa suction power, this cleaner effectively removes dirt, stains, and pet-related messes from carpets, upholstery, couches, and car interiors. The strong suction ensures deep cleaning, lifting embedded dirt and grime from fibers, leaving surfaces fresh and revitalized. This portable cleaner is equipped with a variety of versatile tools that enhance its cleaning capabilities, whether addressing stubborn stains on upholstery, detailing car interiors, or cleaning household carpets. The Kenmore Spotlight adapts to different surfaces with ease. The included specialized tools are designed for targeted cleaning, ensuring that even the most challenging spots and stains are effectively treated. This makes it an ideal choice for pet owners and households with high traffic areas prone to spills and messes. The Kenmore KW2001 Spotlight is designed for convenience and ease of use. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry and maneuver, allowing users to quickly respond to spills and stains as they occur. The cleaner's user-friendly controls and ergonomic design ensure comfortable operation, while the dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, making the cleaning process efficient and straightforward. The gray finish gives it a sleek and modern look, fitting seamlessly into any home decor.